Welcome back to Food Friday with Samy Bee. Today we are making the recipe buffalo chicken poutine. I just tried it this weekend and it was honestly stunningly amazing. So first you're going to want to start with your slow cooker, wipe it down, turn it on max, take some boneless, skinless chicken breast, throw it in the crock pot, close that up, season it, and we're going to let that cook. So we used Himalayan sea salt, some hot sauce of your choice, and black pepper. Now you are going to flip them over, season them again, and put everything back in and keep turning it over and over just to let the juices soak through both sides. And then once it's almost cooked, you're going to want to pull them out and cut them into nice thick strips. This is going to allow the inside of the chicken to absorb the sauces. Now once you have that done, put the lid back on and finish cooking. Now, take your poutine, make it however you want. I'm just refrying my leftovers, but you make your poutine. Dice up the chicken, throw it in your already made poutine. Use ranch or Greek sauce and your favorite buffalo sauce. We're gonna pour a decent amount, but not too much, just a medium amount of sauce onto your poutine. So sauces come next, pour it on as much as you desire. Then we are going to go and mix that together. Then we're going to take some green onion and chop it up and make it perfectly aesthetically pleasing. Take some cheese, any kind you want, whether it's cheese curds, cheddar, parmesan, whatever you want, top it off, and there you have it. It was freaking amazing, and I didn't think I'd like it, but I did. I hope you guys do too. Enjoy, and make sure you hashtag Food Friday with Samy Bee so I can see you make this recipe on Instagram.